Find features that differentiate it from other brands for BohoJoc Smart Ring. And why you should buy choose. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. Your daily activity partner. The Smart Ring for men or women combines activity tracking, movement monitoring, and sleep pattern observation in one lightweight design. The activity tracker ring keeps you informed about daily movement rhythms and rest cycles, while precisely logging steps, energy expenditure, and distance covered. Comprehensive health monitoring. Stay on top of your health with integrated heart rate, blood oxygen monitoring. The built-in automatic sleep tracker monitors your sleep patterns and offers a detailed sleep quality analysis, including deep sleep, light sleep, and wake-up time, helping you develop healthy sleeping habits. Fitness activity tracker. The fitness rings for women-men automatically tracks various activities. It serves as a comprehensive fitness tracker. Keep your fitness goals on track by monitoring your steps, sport time, heart rate, calories burned, distance throughout the day, and activity levels. The fitness ring helps you stay motivated and active. Comprehensive fitness tracking smart ring. Monitor your daily steps, distance traveled, and calories burned with high precision. The smart ring also records exercise data across various activities such as running, cycling, jump rope, walking, hiking, yoga, golf, and dance, providing detailed insights to help you achieve your fitness goals. Waterproof and durable design. The fitness health tracker ring with IP68 waterproof certification, wear it worry-free during hand washing, showers, or shallow swimming. Whether at the gym or on the go, this health tracker ring delivers reliable performance. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.